A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time love?
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a clean with me video. I need to tackle the kitchen, some laundry, all that kind of stuff, and I need to organize our fridge because it is a mess. But I just wanted to hop on here and introduce the video. Thank you guys for being here. Thank y'all for following along. We have been really sick. The last vlog that y'all seen was day one when we found out that we had COVID, and then it got worse from there. Like every day there was a new symptom. Right now we're still recovering. It's like been like 11 days, I believe, so we're still just recovering and trying to feel our best. Y'all know moms don't get breaks. My husband's upstairs, he's not feeling his best now, and he wasn't even here with us when we got COVID. He didn't come until later on, so we're hoping he doesn't have COVID, but who knows. But just wanted to show my face and talk a little bit because I know I haven't been posting that consistent, and it's just because I've been trying to take it easy. I've had to take care of all of our kids and be mama, recover, and all that. So let's get into the video. I just wanted to say thank y'all for being here. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. It means the world to me. Comment down below, and let's get into cleaning.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted to.
I was just singing and dancing along here, but y'all, the fridge organization took way longer than I thought it would. I had so much stuff that was expired and that I had to get rid of. We keep a lot of drinks in our fridge just for us and the kids. We have been drinking a lot more water, but we do keep juice for special occasions and a lot of like sauces and condiments. So I had to clear all of that stuff out, wipe the fridge down, and the whole 9 yards. So it just took a while.
Like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how. How we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.